I put on the apron. I take out the vegetable from the fridge. I take a plate, knife, peeler, sieve, cutting board to cut and clean the vegetables. I am peeling the cucumber. I am washing the cucumber and bitter gourd. I cut the cucumber into thick round pieces or slices. I am cutting the spring onions.